The Princess Who Saw the Stars, a magical fairy tale. Once upon a time, in a kingdom where the sky was always covered in clouds, there lived a young and curious princess named Lyra. Her palace was made of silver stones, surrounded by gardens of glowing flowers that never wilted. But despite all the beauty around her, Lyra always felt something was missing. Every night, she would climb the tallest tower of the palace and look up at the cloudy sky. Why is it always grey? She wondered. Mother, father, she asked one evening, what lies beyond the clouds? The king and queen exchanged worried glances. My darling, her mother said gently, long ago, people used to talk about little lights in the sky called stars. But they've not been seen in 1,000 years. The clouds came and never left. But I want to see the stars. That night, she made a promise to herself, she would be the one to find the stars. The next morning, Princess Lyra packed a small bag with food, a compass, her telescope, and a magical book of old sky legends. She slipped out quietly, leaving only a note. Don't worry. I'll return when I've seen the stars. Her journey took her through whispering forests, across colored rivers, and into deep caves where glowing mushrooms lit her path. Along the way, she met a wise old owl named Orion. Where are you headed, princess? Asked Orion, blinking slowly. To find the stars, she replied with determination. Orion hooted in surprise. Ah, many have tried, none have returned. But you have something they didn't, believe. He offered to join her, and the two set off together, guided by the ancient maps in Lyra's book. After many days, they reached the mountain of winds, where the clouds touched the ground like rivers of mist. The wind howled so fiercely that it tried to push them back. You must climb to the top, said Orion, flapping beside her. The legends say the clouds are thinnest there. The climb was tough. Snow and wind whipped at Lyra's cloak. But she didn't give up. Finally, after a long, cold climb, Lyra reached the summit just as night fell. She looked up, and for the first time in her life, the clouds parted. And then she saw them. Thousands upon thousands of tiny, twinkling lights scattered across the dark velvet sky. The stars. They shimmered like diamonds and danced like fairies. Lyra gasped in awe, her eyes wide with wonder. Some looked close enough to touch, others blinked gently, as if saying hello. Tears filled her eyes. They're real, she whispered. They're really real. Orion nodded. You were brave enough to believe in what others forgot. Suddenly, a beam of starlight fell to the mountain top, and from it emerged a glowing woman with silver hair and eyes like galaxies. She was the Star Queen. Princess Lyra, she said kindly. Few have ever climbed this high. Because you believed in the stars, I will give you a gift. She handed Lyra a crystal pendant filled with stardust. Wherever you take this, said the queen, the clouds will clear, and stars will shine. Lyra bowed with gratitude. Thank you, your majesty. I want everyone in my kingdom to see what I've seen. Lyra returned to her kingdom with Orion at her side. When she held up the pendant, the skies above the palace shimmered, and the clouds slowly drifted apart. Gasps rose from the people as the night sky revealed its breathtaking display of stars for the first time in centuries. Children pointed in wonder, elders cried with joy, and the king and queen embraced Lyra, proud of her bravery. From that night on, the people of the kingdom would gather every evening to look up at the stars. They sang songs, told stories, and dreamed bigger than ever before. And Princess Lyra? She became known far and wide as the princess who saw the stars, the one who reminded the world to never stop believing in what lies beyond the clouds. Moral of the story: Even when the world forgets, one heart full of wonder and courage can bring back the light. Always believe in what's beyond. The stars are never far for those who dare to dream. Let's remember the magical journey we took today. In a cloudy kingdom, Princess Lyra believed in something no one else could see, the stars. With courage in her heart and a wise owl by her side, she climbed the mountain of winds. And when she reached the top, she saw them. The stars were real. She brought their light back to her people and reminded us all. Never stop believing in the beauty beyond the clouds. What did you learn from this story?